Good morning, this is Matt, and I'm getting a phone call. Hey. Alright, this is Matt, Rumbuilder, coming at you. Nice, beautiful Sunday morning. The battery did not charge in the van last night, so now I have to pull the battery out of my Ranger to make the van work. Everything's so well. Should do the trick. Oh jeez, big bumps. Right, we're at the airfield. We're at the airfield. You gotta be careful here because there are some ridiculous potholes. And it has been raining non-stop, like I said in the last one. So we are probably gonna get our feet wet and probably get our Cuda wet. That's okay. So I'm gonna pull in, park, unload the van, and we are going to commence Cudaing. Okay. We have had an interesting turn of events. First off, remember how not windy it was at the house? Well, it's 10 times windier now. On another note, I had to replace a servo because, you know, after the crash last week or last time, the servo broke because it obviously didn't break before the crash. It was not faulty equipment; it was pilot error.
Yeah, who's flying?
I don't know, some bald guy. Anyway, so we had to replace the servo. I didn't bring my hot glue gun or anything like that, but I did find this piece of hot glue in the van. So we're going to use a lighter, and we are going to hot glue, heat this up, and we're going to hot glue it back together. So stay tuned, sketch is happening.
Yeah.
So,
up there. Okay.
So the key to shady hot gluing is to use somebody else's car. So I'm going to use this. That way, if the hot glue melts, then it's not going to make a mess in my car. Gotta get it nice and high. Don't burn your fingers. Starting to drip, starting to burn. All right, run, 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 run. There, perfect. We'll save this for later. Because if we crash, we might have to rebuild it with that piece. All right, so now we gotta check control surfaces.
You're on.
So apparently, we have more than one bad servo. This is
Oh yeah, look at that flutter. Wow.
Okay, well, it's good thing we have more hot glue.
Should just fly it as is.
Okay, so second bad servo. I found, actually, if you see all the red paint on this, this is a servo from the original fire truck. So I found this in my toolbox. I'm running out of spare servos from crashed airplanes. I should have brought more airplanes. I'm going to finish putting this together, and hopefully we'll figure out what's wrong with the new servo on the tail, then we can start flying.
You can kill audio and speed this up. I'll give some B-roll. my thoughts exactly.
Oh, get in there.
Don't stick to the wrong part.
All right, so we're down servos. You good?
Yeah, it flooded in the
Okay, so what happened was I had 2 bad servos on the airplane from the crash last time, and we had to go ahead and we used all of my servos that I have in my flight box. I have other servos, tons of servos at home, but didn't bring them. So what we decided we're going to do is we are going to fly the C-sized Rocket Cuda and get 2 flights on it, and then we're going to strip a servo out of that airplane, and we're going to pull a servo out of that airplane and put it in the school bus so that we can fly the F-Cuda. So, happy trails. All right, which one of you wants to push the button to ignite the rocket? Yeah, you get to stand over.
All right, go ahead. Come me,
Whenever you're ready, Jim, because you're firing it off. Give me a countdown.
3. 1, recording. 2, 3.
Good burn. Well, we blew up a little bit. That reverse charge blew through. We also, when that happened, we lost the cap that holds the rocket in. Glided pretty nice without it, though. We also have gunpowder all inside here. So I figure I'm gonna go grab another primer. We're gonna do one more flight on this thing, and then we'll take what we need for the other airplane. Hopefully I have a GoPro still going.
Hopefully with the oops.
You recording? You recording? Here we go. Count me down.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, flat spin.
So, I called it. That was the last flight. The first flight, we damaged the structure of the airplane. And this flight, the tail came off. Which I guess is better than last week when the front came off the bus. So, you know, we're moving backwards and forward or whatever, you know. But yeah, it's that's why it flat spinned.
It's not adding much.
Can't even begin to explain how sketchy this is going to be. We are, yeah. I don't even go into the details, but we're going to give this a shot, and we're going to see what happens. And here we go. We're going to try it. I don't know what's going to happen. What are we not going to do?
Probably fly perfectly.
Okay. All right. Whatever.
No, we're not going to crash, hopefully.
Okay. You ready, Karina?
Have this one just so that it doesn't.
Come on. Come on. There you go.
That was sketchy. Get some altitude. Come left, yeah. That is sluggish. Keep that nose down.
Let's just stick with who's flying.
Okay. Which one's the trigger? Bottom left?
Yeah. Ready?
Sure. It's the bottom left switch, right? Coming off. There it goes.
I don't last it. I last it.
Tandem landing.
Ish. Ah, cartwheel. Hatch open. Oh my god, we didn't crash anything.
We didn't crash anything. That actually worked. Wow.
Still need lower rates.
How fast was it? I
don't know. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
It had a good long flight. It was really twitchy on top. Yeah.
So because that went so well, now we've got to do something dumb. So we're going to try the ground launch, the Cuda. I turned the rates down to 50%. Let's see what it does. Are you guys ready?
Recording.
Ready! Here you go. God, that's fast.
I lost it.
Did you lose it, Karina? You got the whole thing? Awesome.
I lost it because I couldn't turn quick enough.
That's some serious power right there. We finally have things going the way we need to. We're finally able to start dialing in rates. And now we've gotten past exploding airplanes every single time we fly. We're gonna definitely have to go with some stronger servos because I was full right stick and it was still banking left. So to all of those, yes, I am finally gonna step up bigger than a 9-gram servo. I have some 12-gram servos at the house we're gonna use. So here we go. Let's move on to the next step. Thank you for watching the video. If you would subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment. Just let's hear we're gonna start doing rocket tests here soon with homemade rockets, and we're just gonna keep having more fun. I kind of like launching it from the ground. That was a lot of fun. So, all right, well, thank you for watching again, and we'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go get my airplane. Success! Success-ish. Well, I guess since I got the airplane home safely, I'll go ahead and tell you guys. The sketchiness, yeah. So the school bus, one of the elevators on the school bus was a 5-gram, and it was out of the first C-size Cuda. The other sketchy part is that my transmitter for the Cuda, well, I was rolling with, I'll show you the voltage on this. Here we go, here's the voltage. That's right. We're down to 5.6 volts, 5.8. Okay, 5.8 volts, yeah. That could have gone really bad really fast. So, awesome. Now I got a prop on my side. Because airplanes are fun.